My name is Mairi McAllan. I am Scotland's Minister for Environment and Land Reform. Peatlands are a key part of the Scottish landscape as well as our cultural and natural heritage. Approximately a quarter of Scotland's land area is covered in peat, which stores over 3 billion tonnes of carbon. Peatlands also benefit the environment and our communities by supporting our unique habitats and biodiversity, improving water quality and reducing flood risk. However, it is estimated that around 80% of Scottish peatlands are degraded, meaning that they will emit carbon rather than store it. That's why the Scottish Government has been supporting peatland restoration for a number of years through our ambitious Peatland ACTION Programme to restore these vital ecosystems and to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Scotland is leading the way on peatland restoration. Last year, Scottish ministers committed to investing over £250 million to restore 250,000 hectares of degraded peatland by 2030, with over 30,000 hectares already on the road to restoration. This investment will support Scotland's rural economy, create economic opportunities, and enable us to deliver on a just transition to net zero by 2045. Our Peatland Action Programme is delivered through 5 key partners: Nature Scot, Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park Authority, Cairngorms National Park Authority, Forestry and Land Scotland and Scottish Water. With each restoration project that these partners, along with the landowners and managers who apply to the programme, take on, they're helping Scotland get closer to achieving our ambitious goals of net zero by 2045. We know that climate change will increase the likelihood, frequency and intensity of extreme weather events in the future. By taking action now, we will ensure that we have resilient peatlands that can protect our communities and infrastructure from the impacts of climate change. Protecting, restoring and sustainably managing our peatlands is a huge win for Scotland, our people, our ecosystems and our wildlife. To mitigate climate change within a generation, we will all need to play our part. The restoration and sustainable management of our peatlands is a really vital pillar in Scotland's ambitious efforts to reach net zero by 2045.